If you need to cancel a pending transaction on Binance, follow these steps to ensure it is done correctly. This guide will help you navigate the process efficiently. Step 1. Log into your Binance account. Access your Binance account by entering your credentials on the Binance website or app. Make sure you are using a secure internet connection. Step 2. Navigate to the wallet section. Once logged in, go to the wallet section of your account. This is usually found in the top menu. Click on Spot Wallet to view your current balances and transactions. Step 3. Find the pending transaction. In the Spot Wallet, look for the Open Orders or Pending Transactions section. Here, you will see a list of all transactions that are currently pending. Step 4. Select the transaction to cancel. Identify the specific transaction you wish to cancel. Click on it to view more details. There should be an option to cancel the transaction. Step 5. Confirm the cancellation. After selecting the cancel option, a confirmation prompt will appear. Confirm that you want to cancel the transaction. Once confirmed, the transaction will be removed from your pending list. Make sure to check your transaction history to ensure that the cancellation was successful. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Binance support for assistance.